Hello friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry YouTube channel. As we discussed last class, the most important IUPAC nomenclature, that is what rule 7. In rule 7, the most important is what they are going to write what cyclo. The cyclo is act as a prefix. Means compulsory if the cyclic groups are there, compulsory we are going to write what cyclo. After that you have to count how many carbons are there. If 4 is there, you have to write butane. If 5 is there, you have to write pentane. 3 is there, you have to write propane. 6 is there, you have to write hexane, so on. After that means if the substituent groups are attached to the what cycloalkanes ring or cycloalkenes ring, that time compulsory you have to mention or give preference to the what first substituent group. Okay. Today in this class we are going to discuss the next one is that is called what rule 8. That is rule 8 is nomenclature of compounds with what functional group. Okay. If the compound containing what functional groups, you know very well about that. The functional group means what COH is there, CHO is there, NO2 is there, CO is there, COR, ester is there. After that double bond is there. Next one is what triple bond. Give preference first for double bond, after that what triple bond. That is we will study that point in what rule 9. Okay, last one. Just here, if the double bond is there, okay, if the compound containing maybe double bond or maybe what triple bond or other functional groups present in that molecule, then the carbon containing the functional group is selected as a parent chain. Where there is, if the functional groups are attached, that is what act as a parent chain. Compulsory we have to select what that is parent chain. Okay, just here this one is indicate what parent chain. Okay. Next there, if the minimum locant for the functional group, you have to give first preference to the functional group, that is indicate what minimum locant rule. Just here the most important is what minimum locant rule we have to follow for what functional group. Okay. Next after that, the name of the functional group is indicated as a suffix. In this case compulsory you have to write a suffix. Okay, bear in mind important, this one is act as a what suffix. Okay, that's why you know very well about that what suffix will come after that root word, after that what a prefix like this is there, no. Okay, next here example first example is there. Okay, you have to compulsory that functional group is act as a what suffix. Just here in this case CH3 is there, CH2 CH CH3, next one is what CH2 CH3 is there, CH2 CH. Just here in this case first your duty you have to find out where is the functional group. Okay, just here I am going to find out this one is what OH group is a act as a functional group. What is the name of this one? Alcohol. What you are going to write, this one is called OL is there, no, that is what alcohol. This alcohol OH group is there, no. Here OH group is attached to this carbon. Okay, these two hydrogens are attacked like this. You know this structure is bear in mind important here like this. After that this is what one hydrogen, this is what one hydrogen, next one is what CH is there like this. Bear in mind important, this OH group is not attached to the hydrogen. Okay, because of when you are going to write the structure, illustration structure means that time this OH group is attached to what this carbon containing two hydrogen, after that what this one is there. Okay, that's why in this case important point is this OH group attached to this carbon is act as a what 1, numbering what 1, this is 100% 2. Okay, no problem. If you are going to like this 3 4 is there, if you are going to like this 3 4, no problem, in both the side the number of carbon atoms are same. Okay, that's why in this case this one is act as a parent chain. Just here which is act as a parent chain, this is act as a parent chain. Okay, this is act as a parent chain. First our duty means what, in this case if the double bond, triple bond, any other functional groups are there, that is act as a parent chain compulsory. This is act as a parent chain, no problem. Okay, first work is what done. The second work, the minimum locant for the functional group. Already we have given what minimum number. This is indicate what functional group locant minimum number. Next after that last one is the act as a, that is what a suffix. Just here what is the IUPAC nomenclature of this one? Just here 1 2 3 4, totally how many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there in this case. This second position is having a what ethyl is there. That's why in this case the most important is what this was indicate what 2-ethyl. First we are going to consider this is act as a what? Substituent group. Just here in this case, this one is this CH2CH3 is act as a substituent group. This is act as a substituent group. Okay. Prefix, root word, next one is what? Suffix, you have to follow that one. First this one is act as a prefix, this is act as a suffix, suffix will come last. Prefix, root word, suffix like this. Okay, that's why in this case one position is a 2, 3, 4. That's why in this case IUPAC nomenclature for this one is 2-ethyl, 1-butanol or 2-ethyl but 1-OL. That is also what? Right. I am going to write here only. Okay, just I am going to remove this one. Just here. First I am going to write what? Substituent group, that is act as a prefix. 2-ethyl, no problem. Next after that, how many carbons are there? 4 carbon. Butane you have to write. But 1-OL. Okay, this is the what? IUPAC nomenclature. Butane, ANE, E replaced by OL. How you are going to understand? In this case totally if you are going to write 2-ethyl butane, ANE you are going to write, no, usually. But in this case if the substituent group are there, okay, that is what, which substituent group is there? Alcohol is there, no? That is why E is replaced by OL, E is replaced by OL. That is why 2-ethyl butane 1-OL is the IUPAC nomenclature of what? Given compound. Okay, just next one. The next example is CH3, that is what? CH2, CH double bond CH2. Compulsory you have to check the valency of carbon, the carbon containing what? 4 bonds. Compulsory, that is okay. Just here, this carbon carbon double bond is there. This carbon carbon double bond is act as a what? Substituent group, obviously. Sorry, this is act as a functional group. Okay, that's why in this case this is a 1, next this is a 2, this is a 3, next this is a what? 4. Totally how many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. Okay, just here this 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. But how we are going to write this one? Totally butane is possible, no? That's why because of, if the double bond not there, you are going to write a butane. If the double bond is there, that is called what? Butene. If the triple bond is there, that is called what? Butane. Okay, just here in this case I am going to write a but. Okay, totally what? But 1-ene, that is what? Right. But en is there, that is called what? 1-ene. But 1-ene. This is the what? Correct. This structure is indicate what? Means this structure naming is what? Correct. This one is correct. Just I am going to write another. Some students are going to write what? 1-butene. 1-butene like this. This is also correct only, not a wrong, but not a proper way. This is not a proper, okay. Next after that, some students are going to write like this, means but 1-ene, okay, 1-butene, okay. Next after that, next possible is what? Generally they are going to write a butene, no, that is also what? Wrong. Generally they are going to write a butene, that is also what? Wrong. That is also indicate what? Not proper only. Okay, compulsory how to write 1-butene. Otherwise some students are going to write like this. Just here, butene 1, both are same, no? This is also what? Not in a proper. Okay, next after that, this is what? Next example, CH3 is there, CH2, CH double bond CH2, CH3. First your duty, how to select a longest carbon chain, which is possible in this case. I am going to just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. If you are going to select this one, we are going to get a 5 carbon. But in this case, we are going to select, if you are going to select like this, means we are going to get a 6 carbon. We have must and should we have to consider what? Highest number of carbon, that is act as a parent chain. That's why in this case I am going to write numbering here. This is what? 1, because of what? Where there is a functional group is there, you have to start numbering, okay, from there only. That is act as a minimum locant rule. This is what? 2 is there. Next after that 3, this is a 4, next one is 5, this is a what? 6. Okay, just here 6 is there. Okay, totally. Just here I am going to write the IUPAC nomenclature. In this case 3, this is act as a what? Substituent group like this. just here CH2 CH3 is there, no, in this case also CH3 CH2, this is act as a substituent group. Okay, this is I am going to write a substituent group only, no problem. That is why first in this case this substituent group is act as a what, prefix. That is why I am going to write this is 3-ethyl, first point, 3-ethyl. Totally how many carbons are there? 6 carbon. That is why in this case what, hex, first you have to write what, hex 1 ene, right, 3-ethyl hex 1 ene, just here but 1 ene. In some student are going to write 3-ethyl 1 hexene, that is also right, but not in a proper way. This one is what, correct. Next example, I am going to write this is CH3 is there, this is a CH2. Next in this case I am going to consider this is what, triple bond. Okay, you have to count 1 2 3. Okay, just here this is what YNE will come, same. Okay, same is there. Okay, right, better you have to write the IUPAC nomenclature in what, comment. Okay, just I am going to give some work, you have to write what is the IUPAC nomenclature of what, this one. Okay, write in a comment section. Okay, thank you.